Hello, welcome. Question 16. We have to make P the subject of this equation. Y equals to R plus P divided by R minus P. Since this is just an equation involving fraction, we just need to cross multiply or find the LCM and multiply through. So Y equals to R plus P, R minus P. Here we are going to cross multiply, right? If not cross multiply, you multiply through by the LCM, which is the R minus P. This is going to be Y multiplying the down, Y into bracket R minus P. 1 multiplying that will give you R plus what? P. What we need to do next is to open the bracket. So we expand to remove bracket. So Y multiplying R. YR minus Y times P, YP equals to R plus what? P. Remember, we are looking for P, and P is in two places. So we group like terms. So in grouping like terms, I'm seeing this being negative. So I'll transfer or transpose it to the right and transpose this here as YR minus R. Positive become negative equals to P is left there. Negative become positive. Y what? P. We need only one of the P. They are in two places. So we factorize. So here in factorizing P out, P is going to be alone. Then we find factors that can be used to multiply. So let's maintain the right. YR, is it plus? No. Minus R equals to P into bracket. P divided by P. 1. Yp divided by P will be what? Y. Remember, we are looking for P. Now it is alone. So we divide by the coefficient there. So we divide by the 1 plus Y. That means Y R minus R divided by 1 plus Y equals to P 1 plus Y 1 plus Y. Remember, that will cancel, making P equals to. Here I can still factorize, so I can have my R into bracket. R, that will be Y. Divide this by the R, we get 1 divided by 1 plus what? Y. We can leave it in this form. We can also leave it in this form. But this will be something that we cannot do anything about. So this becomes the final one. In that place too is not wrong. So this is your final answer if you were to simplify that. I guess it's clear step by step. Like, share the video, comment if you thought, and subscribe if you have not.